Want to make videos like this? I made every one of these using VisualGPT. It's ridiculously easy. If you want to start making AI videos, use my link below. I switched because it worked really well for me. And when I signed up, it was cheaper than Flashloop. These were all made with VisualGPT.
This video, we're talking about the viral claymation video skits that you're going to be seeing all over your social media. I'm going to show you how I do it using ChatGPT, and I also use VisualGPT.io, the website for all my creations. So it's a super simple process. You can do everything within VisualGPT, but I'm going to show you how I do it using ChatGPT as well to get the prompt set out for me. If you're using like ChatGPT, it understands you more than, using these sort of pages, because I've done a lot of them, so it knows my style of what I want to do, and it's going to remember everything you do in the future. So anyway, it works out better for me, but we're going to create everything using VisualGPT. Now, before we do that, I'm going to show you the pricing for this. I do recommend going for the Ultra package because you are going to go through a lot of credits enjoying this website. So have a go with the most popular one if you want to, but I would definitely recommend going with the Ultra package, and it's got 90% off at the moment. And you're going to get yourself 6,000 credits for doing your videos. Now, if you're uploading these to TikTok, etc., and it's a claymation style, you really don't have to go above 720. So you're going to save yourself on the credits not having to use 1080p or 4K. There's no point. They still look really, really good. Okay, so my first process is to be in ChatGPT, and we're going to set out the prompt. I've already done that here. It's already been doing a lot of skits for me this morning, as I will show you here. And then it's going to make the storyboard, etc. for me. Anyway, so let's go for the next one, and it's already done the title, skit, the pin. This one's called, and this one is a claymation 15 seconds, as you can see here. Format for TikTok or Reels, that sort of thing, if you want to use it on Instagram or for YouTube. And this is the scenes all set out for me. Now, what I'm going to ask it to do next is make the scenes as a visual image, and we'll let it do its magic. And whilst we're doing that, I'm going to go around the website and show you other things we can do. There's a hell of a lot of tools we can do on here, or use on here, I should say, and it's got all the AI models you want to be using for your images and for your video production. So we've got ChatGPT, Seedream, Nano Banana, all the ones you've seen everywhere. They're all on here, and the same for the video production as well. We've got Seedance 2.0, Seedance Fast. All the ones from Grok, Gemini, Happy Horse, Kling, everything you could think of, it's all on here. And the amount of tools they've got built in, there's all sorts of presets you can do as well. But today we're concentrating on the video generator style of things. So let me see how we're doing. So ChatGPT has finished the storyboard characters. Now we're going to save that image, download. Actually, we're going to save it to desktop. Save image as, and we'll go to desktop. Then we can find it easy enough. So that's the image is saved. Now I'll ask it to make the script, make the prompt for Seedance 15 seconds. It'll do everything for me now. Shouldn't take long. Now, once this is done, all the scenes are done for me, as we can see here. And then we're going to copy that into the AI generator on VisualGPT. Right, so you're going to see the exact process I use, like I said. So we're going to upload the image. Let's go to desktop. We've got the image here. And then in here, we've already copy and pasted this using here. We're going to paste that into here. That's everything locked in. And then we're going to go to the aspect ratio. Now we're going to use this one for TikTok. So we're going to go to the 9:16 ratio. And it's a 15-second video. And like I said, you don't need to be using the 4K or the 1080. So it's going to keep your credits, lower than if we go to 1080, it goes up a hell of a lot. And then 4K, a hell of a lot as well. We don't need it on these two at the moment. We don't need it at all, actually. So to generate this 15-second comedy skit, it's going to cost me 540 credits. Okay, if we don't want it 15 seconds, we can bring it down to 10 maybe, and you can see the price change there. So I'm going to click generate, and then we will leave it to do its magic, and we'll come back when it's done. Right, so it's ready. I'm going to show you the video at the end. Let's have a quick look. Let's turn the volume down. And it's worked. It's as quick as that. Now, like I said, there's other sites you can use, and there's a lot being advertised on TikTok, but some of them are quite expensive. This one, it works out really cheap for you. Now, I'm going to leave a link down below if you want to try out this site yourself. It's not just for making videos, it's for making your AI images, it's for making photo studio style things. It's got an AI room planner, everything you can think of. They've thought about it, and it is all in here. So I'll leave the link down below, and here's the video.
Evening, card please. Oops. 2222. Baby, what's my pin?
I don't know.
I've remembered. 00. Why?